Welcome to the Copper King Mine and Railroad. Today we're going to talk about the J-Line Bridge up in Highland Point. So stay tuned. The J-Line Bridge. We're still moving up Carfort Canyon, talking about each of the bridges as we move up the canyon. The J-Line Bridge is easily spotted because it cuts through the roof of one of the buildings of Highland Boys Mine. The J-Line Bridge was built sometime after 1924. Probably around 1925. In 1924, Utah Apex Mining Company gave surface rights to dump waste rock on the north side of Carfort Canyon to Utah Copper. This is when bridge construction started up Carfort Canyon. Now look at this photograph. It shows the February 17, 1926 avalanche that came down up in Highland Boy. In the background is J-Line Bridge, and it's already in place. One half of L-Line Bridge was previously built when the snowslide occurred. The next photo shows the destruction of the avalanche the day after. Notice the cement foundations for the new L-Line Bridge under construction. The J-Line Bridge is in the background. This aerial view of Carfort Canyon was taken in 1925. It shows both G-Line and J-Line bridges. You can see from the pictures how short the J-Line Bridge was, especially with the L-Line Bridge in the background. It gives you a good comparison. Now this 1929 Stanboard Fire Insurance map shows the J-Line Bridge running through the Utah Consolidated Highland Boy building. The building is labeled Blacksmith and Machine Shop. Now I wonder how noisy it was inside the shop when the trains went over. All these upper Carfort bridges were used to remove waste material from the upper portion of the mine. The ore in the higher locations had to work its way down to the elevation of 6340 to meet up with the Bingham and Garfield Railroad. That was the main line to the mills. It was also known as A-level. Now this image is looking down Carfort from Highland Boy. It's dated November 1st, 1916, before the bridges. Here's another early picture of Carfort and the Highland Boy Mine before the bridge construction in the canyon. Early Carfort Canyon had 3 aerial trams at one time. The Utah Consolidated Mine, the Highland Boy Mine, aerial tram changed direction in 1910. Now it traveled west over the Ochre Mountains to the International Smelter in Tooele. It was operated until 1941 when the Elton Tunnel was built to the smelter. This 1926 panoramic view shows Highland Boy area with both J-Line and L-Line bridges. This 1930 view is looking down the canyon from J-Line Bridge. Then this 1932 photograph shows Highland Boy area just before the September 8, 1932 fire. In 1932, the fire in Highland Boy devastated the town, destroying everything in its path, 1/3 of a mile down the canyon. It started just below J-Line Bridge. So let's show some of these images we have of J-Line Bridge. This image is interesting because it shows a steam engine crossing over the J-Line Bridge. In the late 1920s, steam is being replaced with electric motors, so it's before that time. This photograph shows electric motor on a higher level. It's bottom left. J and L-Line bridges are in the background. This image was taken September 16, 1961. The building the J-Line Bridge went through is gone. It's just the foundations are left now. Then here's the August 29, 1962 image. The bridges up Carfort Canyon days are numbered. So that's the J-Line Bridge up Carfort Canyon, Bingham Canyon.